It's seafood boil time, guys. Look at this. Yummy, yummy, yummy. This is some good right here. I want to show you guys my new crawfish table. It seats 4 comfortably. Has a trash can in the middle. And you probably can get 6 people in here, but it seats 4 comfortably, and the trash can just hooks up to the bottom of the table. All right, let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I am having a massive seafood boil with the Fam Bam. I have my cousin Ashley here. Some of you guys remember her from the HD and More Burgers video. Today, you guys, we have everything. We have mussels, we have some corn, we have crawfish, we have potatoes, we have some tiger prawns. Can you guys see that? Tiger prawns, ginormous lobster tails, and we have some king crab legs. We have a seafood boil butter sauce to dip in, and we're gonna have some bubbly to drink. So guys, this crawfish table I ordered, it seats 4 and comfortably, yeah, but I think you can get about 6 people in on this table. It has 4 different compartments where you can put your food, you can put your drinks, and it has a little section here where you can put your little dipping sauce. And it has little holders to hold your paper towel roll. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Dig in. I'm hungry, guys. I have not eaten all day today. So I'm gonna go ahead and dig right in. So guys, this has a garbage compartment right in the middle. So just toss your shells right in the garbage. What you have first, some mussel? I always go for the mussel first. Right. It's my favorite. I love mussels. Oh, sorry guys. First bite. Really third bite, but I'm hungry. Hungry and hungrier. Now, I was gonna do this video with more of my cousins. The shrimp is cooked right. Not soggy. I timed that one just right. But some of my cousins are so picky. They don't eat this, they don't eat that. Not this one. Not this one. This is why I know I can call her anytime. Because, I know that she'll come through and be like, okay. She ain't gonna tell me, oh, I don't eat mussels or I don't eat crawfish.
But I don't eat bread.
Oh, she doesn't do bread because, can't tell her now. Yeah. She's doing keto right now, guys. And having a really successful go at it. Very inspiring. So I might try it out after today.
These are good.
What?
The mussels.
The mussels. The mussels are really good. This crawfish is good too. I let them soak in that boil, in that Obey seasoning.
Am I supposed to be making more noise?
We like to hear you. They do. It's crawfish, y'all.
These are good.
Look at that big boy.
Oh my goodness. Look at my face.
I need some potato, you guys. I got your scissors right here. Mmm. These potatoes is creamy. Mm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Woo. Oh, she can't have potatoes, guys. So the corn and the potatoes on her side are just for decoration because you can't have it on keto. But, that's really good.
There's a lot of meat in here.
Oh yeah. I like that. I like this little thing. Just toss your food, toss your shells. For those of you that are interested in this tray, oh, that's meat, yeah. Hold on, I gotta watch her eat it. Watch her get all that
There's
good.
a whole lot of.
That's the white meat.
Oh my goodness.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
The bottom of that sauce. I forgot to cut the whatchamacallit
The body part.
to make it a little easier. Can I have that paper towel, please? Can you help me get it off? My hands are really itchy. So guys, because the paper towels go right here, I'm moving it over because it's gonna kind of block the camera because it goes like right here. Ooh, I'm gonna eat a little bit of my crab. Oh, look y'all, hey now.
Maybe that came right out.
Right. Shoot, I'm doing something around here. So you guys eating with us? Oh, I got it. Hopefully you guys are eating seafood. I want my leg.
You ready?
I'm ready for it. I'm ready. Ouch. Put my knuckle to the side. That meat is so good and sweet. Guys, so I have the camera right here, so sorry if you can't hear like too well, or you know, the eating sounds, because my microphone it's not gonna it's not really gonna reach to hook onto me.
Yeah, these are my best parts for me today.
Huh?
I don't know why. These are really good.
The mussels.
Mm-hmm.
There goes my leg. Take a little bit of that fat off. Ooh, yeah, I'm so hungry. It's late, you guys. It's late to be eating for the first time, but yeah, I already messed up my shirt. Oh wow.
You talk about other stuff than food?
Hmm?
You ever talk about other stuff than food on here?
on the channel?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Sometimes we talk about what's going on. R.I.P. Aretha Franklin.
Mm-hmm.
It depends. Like, that's what we talk about? We talk about dating.
Why? Everybody's crazy.
Oh, that was so good. Too bad you can't have potatoes. These potatoes are so creamy.
How are they creamy? Like,
It's just creamy. Like, good.
one isn't gonna hurt.
Yeah, but
I just want to try it one.
dip it in your sauce. Get some. Good.
I haven't had potato in so long.
So guys, I'm gonna use this table again. But I'm gonna do just crawfish. Crawfish boil.
That's it?
A crawfish boil, so crawfish, corn, potatoes, and sausage. Minus, crab and lobster and stuff.
I was gonna say, just by itself?
I'll have some other stuff with it. This is so good.
That's a million of these things.
Crawfish. See, I can eat a lot of crawfish. So when I bought it, you was like, that's too many. I can eat a lot of them.
It's usually just me. When I cook it, my kids don't like to.
If you peel it for them, will they eat it?
Yeah. But they'll still play with the heads. Just tell me you can get out.
Don't get full on me.
This is a lot of work.
It is. Which is why, so guys, this is going to be a long video. If you make it with us to the end, thank you, I appreciate it. If you can only go so long, thank you, I appreciate it. Because it's a lot of work to crack and peel and Now guys, my sauce does have a lot of lemon in it. I know a lot of people ask me, how come I always have lemons but I don't never use them? My sauce has lemons in it, but most of the time the lemon's just there for decoration, for presentation. But I can use it every now and then. Something open. I don't even know, do I want to get into this lobster? It's a big thing. What was I gonna say to you guys? Oh, my sauce. I do have the recipe for my sauce in one of my other seafood boil videos, because a lot of times I am asked about it. I think it's in seafood boil number 6, if I'm not mistaken. If it's not 6, it's 7, but I'm pretty sure it's 6. Look at that big thing. This don't make no sense at all. If I dropped it in that garbage can, guess who's dumpster diving?
So how you gonna clean this tray? How you gonna clean the tray?
Oh, once I get everything off of it, take it outside.
And hose it?
Hose it. With some detergent. Good thing it's not going to be hard to clean because, you know, it's just seafood.
But you know you gotta get the smell.
I'm gonna put some soap in it. Ooh. Guys, I don't have my bread today. I know some of y'all gonna ask. I couldn't do after that one with corn, potatoes, and bread.
I gotta eat something.
I don't want to tempt her too much.
Why is this one look bigger?
Oh, because it is.
Look at that. Look at this. Look at my face. My hand compared to...
You want to get into it or you want me to take some of mine?
This looks so scary. You gonna eat all yours? Okay. We can save him.
Ooh, that was a really good piece of crawfish right there.
Oh gosh, I'm scared to eat it.
Don't be scared. Not so, jeez.
Oh my God.
Your bites are so huge. I should have.
I haven't had lobster in like a year.
But on keto, you can have seafood, so.
Yeah, a lot of it should. It's actually high in protein. Fact.
Well, Costco had, what was a pack of 6 tails? You know, little tails, and they have these in a pack of 2. I said, let me just get the 2.
It's well worth the 2.
Hmm?
Yeah. Because I usually get the 6,
Yeah.
4 to 6 in a pack. Don't do much. And they kind of shrink.
Yeah.
The small one.
This is so good, you guys. Guys, before I forget, don't forget to thumbs up the video, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. On the side of the subscription button is a notification bell. If you hit the bell twice, you'll be notified every time that I upload a video. I'm about to get this corn.
Oh God.
It's gonna be so good, you guys. This is fresh white corn. There's nothing better than fresh white corn. I go through them a lot.
And I can't eat any.
Oh, sorry. I'm gonna enjoy it for you, okay? Get a little one. Corn.
Oh my goodness.
Hold on, I
The
got
whole thing?
I gotta prepare. Hold on. Happy dance, show happy dance.
Whatever.
Girl. Oh my God. So sweet.
that good.
Mm-hmm. It's amazing.
So if they don't open, you don't eat them?
Mm-hmm. Oh, why?
Why?
Okay.
This was a little bit open.
Mm-mm.
No.
Go away.
Miko.
Mmm. Woo, that was everything.
Where did you throw all these?
Oh,
Man.
y'all out?
Yep.
I only cooked 1 pack of mussels.
It's alright. They're just really good though. I don't know why. A lot of flavor.
A lot of mussels, y'all.
I'll finish this off. Did I do this wrong?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
How was it?
Lovely.
Lovely. Oh, light is going out.
There's a ghost. They're hungry too.
Girl, please.
Oh my god.
Good boy.
That looks scary. It's stuck to the other side.
Mm-mm. Pull it, just pull it down. There's a, like a
little
tentacle.
thing inside.
Mhm.
I'm trying. It's poking
There
me.
you go. Look at that leg, y'all. Oh, you're not showing them really.
Look at my finger compared to
Mm. I think next time I'm gonna have some oysters. I'm not sure how. Grill them, yeah.
What you doing at my house?
Hmm?
What you doing at my house? I'm getting a grill. Yeah. What you do it outside?
Well,
Hear that one outside yet?
mm-mm. No. We were supposed to film this video outside, guys. But one, it was too hot, and now it's too late. It's dark out there.
Definitely hot.
Oh, there's the meat. Huh?
Still like 70 degrees outside.
Hmm?
Still like 70 degrees.
Mm.
You like the claw.
You want this claw?
Mm-mm.
You like the claw better than the...
No, I like that. The first
leg.
piece I had.
Some people prefer the claw. I'm not really a claw girl. It's, the texture of the meat is good, but I like just the, normally just the leg.
Oh. I like that knuckle part.
But I needed, you know, I had
Yeah.
to get the best, the biggest ones.
I like claws.
So,
But I never see them. Like,
I bought huge ones. I did a mukbang on them. This lobster that we don't finish, I think I'm gonna make a lobster roll out of it.
like sushi roll?
Like a sandwich lobster roll.
Oh, like a poor boy?
Cupcake, get down. You can't have none of this. Oh. It is Cupcake's dinner time, y'all, so she is hungry.
Why do you give me more? I still have.
Just that one.
Oh.
Trying to hurry to eat, y'all, because it is getting a little bit cold, but the sauce is still warm.
Where did you get the?
Costco. It comes in a big old pack. I think it got like 35 or something. So I just
Oh, one there in the freezer.
Woo, that's good. I don't want to get full.
I really like those mussels.
I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What did I do with the other pack? It comes from a pack, and I had one already. What did I eat? Oh, when I had those, I think when I ate those giant, was it when I ate those giant? Yeah, those giant prawns.
We ate it together.
Do you like green lip mussels? New Zealand, the bigger ones?
I don't think I ever.
So I have some of those in the freezer. And I was going to do a mukbang on just those. I prefer the Prince Edward, the little black ones, over the green lips. To me, they're tastier.
The smaller ones?
You have more flavor. I got a whole lot of corn. A whole lot of corn, y'all.
You're not going to eat all that corn.
No, I'm not.
It does look good. It smells good.
Sasha and my mom will be down eating this. That's about why she was complaining. Whew. Ashley's full.
So it's never stopped me from eating.
I can tell when she's full, y'all. Because Ashley only can eat. Okay, guys, we're back. Had to get the door.
Could they hear the soda?
No, not. No. This is my regular microphone. If I had my Yeti, they'd be able to hear it.
I want the microphone.
I
want the microphone with the square thing on it. It's like it has its own thingamabobber.
The Yeti?
So like when you're out. You didn't see that Instagram video of that boy went to his friend's graduation and he had the microphone and it has like this speaker echo thing? No.
Cupcake, if you're going to come down here, then have a seat. You don't get to be running around barking like crazy. Go sit on your bed. Now. Bad, y'all.
I think because I drank the bubbly too.
So I try not to drink.
But I have to. It's hard not to. I need help to get it down. Maybe I just should drink water. I need ice water. I'm gonna drink water straight. You never do like a clean your palate type of thing first and then start the mukbang?
Clean it with what?
I don't know.
It's already clean. I'm hungry.
Is that not a black people thing? I mean, I've seen it on movies. No?
No, I'm not eating.
But what is that for?
You should clean. Well, it depends what you're eating though. Like if you're going out to a restaurant, maybe a fancy restaurant, I mean, they have different courses in your meal. They do give you little things to clean your palate so that when you eat the next item, it's all you're tasting.
Oh, but like what? What do you have? Sometimes water doesn't just clean your palate.
Sometimes they give you like a sorbet.
Something sweet?
It'll clean your palate. You don't eat it all. Just take a little bit. If I'm not mistaken, I think it was on Pretty Woman.
I was on something.
I could be wrong. Watch this muscle.
Where?
Off the shell.
He probably hid it on purpose.
I did not hide it on purpose. It was, resting under my corn.
I don't know why this is so good.
The mussels is on point.
Oh my goodness.
And just think, I almost forgot to cook them.
Oh. That was good. Lobster was good too, but oh my god.
Lobster's good. It's just huge. I'm gonna cook that lobster for something else. Oops.
Make a steak.
Steak and lobster, yeah. Well, no. As soon as
Oh yeah, never mind.
the stampede will come down the stairs, and this will all be devoured. The only thing they're not gonna eat is the crawfish.
Why? Lazy?
They just don't, spirit. Ooh, y'all.
You know, you should go to New Orleans and do a mukbang.
I'm gonna go to New Orleans and do a real seafood boil.
Where they actually cook it outside.
A real one, y'all. That's what I want.
Lay it all on the table.
What I got? Nothing. Corn and potatoes.
Might as well start snatching from this side.
I know,
There's only crawfish and potatoes left, and corn.
I'm gonna eat some more of them crawfish. Okay. You don't have the head when you eat your crawfish?
No, ma'am.
Why? That's all the
used to.
juices.
I used to, but not anymore. I don't like, cause like sometimes the heads are super salty, and I just yeah.
Okay, guys. I think we're gonna wrap this one up. I'm gonna eat some crawfish though. Come back and join me for another mukbang video. Thumbs this one up. I need some thumbs up, y'all. Some big thumbs up. I went through a lot of trouble to get this mukbang done today. Comment down below and hit that subscription button. Go ahead and share this video with all your friends and your family on whatever social media platform you choose. Welcome to my new subscribers. Thank you guys. I appreciate the subscription. And thank you to my day ones and to my loyal viewers. You guys are like too good to me. Thanks for all the positive feedback, you guys. My hands are so greasy. But we're gonna go ahead and wrap this up. You know what? When you do a seafood boil and you have a butter sauce, you have a very moisturized chin.
Your chin feels
so just like so buttery.
I didn't let mine drip that far.
Sometimes you can't tell that it's dripping. You can't feel it.
What?
Yeah.
You should always feel something hot and warm going down your
Mukbangers.
chin.
I mean, try to educate her, please. Mukbanger. If you're a mukbanger or if you've done a seafood boil, there are times when you're eating your butter sauce and you cannot feel she don't believe me. Spam up the comments, y'all.
I can feel everything dripping on my face anyway.
Spam up the comments, y'all. There are times. This is why we're always kind of like this. We're always kind of looking just to make sure. Or we just be dabbing and don't nothing really be there. Or we feel something be there and don't nothing be there. Anyways, guys.
That's why I take such big bites, you know.
You take big bites.
Yeah, I don't like stuff dripping on the face. It's just, ew.
Okay, guys, I have so much corn in my teeth, but I'm still going to have some more crawfish. And I will see you guys on the next video.
Comment below if y'all want to see me do her hair on camera because she's trying to run from me. I'm going to do it.
Guys, don't forget, her channel page is Ash the Stylist on YouTube. I've been trying to get this girl to really vamp up her page for the longest. She just needs a hair model, which we'll see, maybe. Go to her page too and check out her video, and hopefully she'll upload something else soon.
And say what type of style too
that you want to see. The girl does hair. Oh, check out her Instagram page. Is that Ash the Stylist too?
Ash_the Stylist.
On Instagram. You can see all the hairstyles that she does. She does the Wakanda braids, the lemonade braids, the something feed-in braids, and
Ghana braids,
all types of stuff. She's
weaves.
really talented, you guys. So check out her Instagram page. Check out her YouTube page too, but her YouTube page is lacking. I think she got like one video or something like that.
Whatever.
But anyways, we'll see you guys on the next video. Talk to you guys soon. Bye. Love ya.